Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Gemini age sign. This is April weekly reading. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Gemini age sign. Cards are just flipping. Gemini. What are the messages for Gemini? Okay, Queen of Cups, Six of Wands, Nine of Swords. Wow. Wow. Your wishes are going to be granted, Gemini. Nine of Cups energy under the deck. And Hangman, you are spiritually awakening about this relationship. And Hangman, you're feeling stuck sometimes. You are thinking about this person a lot. So let's see your reading. Recent past, Queen of Cups, Six of Wands and Nine of Swords. You are getting success for your hard work. You are getting recognition for your hard work. Six of Wands energy and Queen of Cups. You have very strong emotions for your person, because Queen of Cups energy, you are very caring and giving person. And Nine of Swords, but something happened between you and your person. You are feeling sad for something or for someone. You are getting depressed in past, but there is success in your life and you have strong emotions towards your person. And present, Knight of Cups, Six of Cups and the World. Some cycles are going to be end between you and your person. Some new cycles are going to be begin. And this could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries or states. So your person also have strong emotions for you. And this person is very, very romantic. And they want to offer their cup of love to you. And this is a very, very strong soulmate connection. This is a soul level connected connection. You both are soul level connected. And Six of Cups, you both are thinking about each other a lot, especially you are thinking about them a lot. And they also want to take this relationship to next level. Knight of Cups energy, and some cycles are ending and some new cycles are beginning between you and your person. Then future, Eight of Cups, the Hierophant and Ace of Cups. So Eight of Cups, Hierophant, I think there are some discussions will happen between you and your person about the commitment, about marriage, because the Hierophant is a marriage card. And the Ace of Cups, yes, there is love between both of you. Ace of Cups, you love them a lot and they also love you. And Eight of Cups energy, but I think you want to leave behind everything, especially negativity in this relationship, and want to commit this person. Yes, for some this is one group, for other some maybe you walked away from this connection. Here two groups. One group is you want to leave behind negativity in you especially, then you want to commit this person, you want to marry this person. For some, maybe there are something happened, issues between you and your person, you decided to walk away and you choosing yourself. The person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So let's see your person feelings and intentions towards you. Then you will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. So Gemini under the deck, Knight of Wands. I think your person is very, very passionate towards you. So let's see their feelings. Gemini. Judgment. I think they are in some confusion right now, Gemini, your person. Seven of Cups energy. For some, your person maybe have options. But I am seeing it's more about confusion. and your person going to be make some decision regarding this relationship. Judgment is here. And Strength and King of Wands, yes, they are thinking about to make a move towards you. They want to take action very soon. And Strength card, maybe they are scared for rejection also. Strength, they're getting their strength to back to you. And the person involved in this connection could be Leo especially. Yes, they're going to be make some decision and they're confused, but they're thinking about to make action. So let's see their intentions, Gemini. Again, Knight of Cups, Page of Cups, wow, 8 of Wands, 5 of Wands and 5 of Pentacles. So if you are in separation with your person, they're feeling alone, they're suffering in silence. And 5 of Wands, there is a lot of drama going between you and your person. For some, you have options, more than one person is fighting for your attention. I think they're ready to fight for your attention. And their intentions are Knight of Cups, Page of Cups and 8 of Wands. So if they did hurt in past, now they want to say apology to you. Yes, they want to text you and they want to communicate with you. Lots of communication, 8 of Wands with Page of Cups and Knight of Cups. Yes, this person is very romantic person and they want to offer their cup of love to you because Knight of Cups, but they're in very, very slow moving energy. Yes, but there is communication is coming. They really want to communicate with you. So if they hurt you in past, now they want to say apology to you. And the person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. A lot of fire energy and earth energy. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Gemini. They're missing you. They're missing you badly if you're in separation with your person. And your person is very independent, emotionally and financially also. But now they're missing you badly. That's why they want to come back with an apology. And they're going through a tower moment. Gemini, they're missing you. For some, your person going through a major situations in their life. Yeah, lots of communication is coming. You both will communicate back and forthly in near future. And the tower, I think you are also missing them. You are also undergoing tower moment, Gemini. But you are not expressing. Yes, you turn your back. But you are waiting for them to reach out. Yes. And this could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries or states. You're still waiting on them. You are waiting for positive growth in this relationship. Yes, there will be some positive growth and lots of communication in near future. Yes, Judgment. You are going to be make some major decision. You both are going to be make some decision regarding this relationship in near future. Justice. For some, it could be reconciliation. If you are in relationship, so you both want to marry because Justice is a marriage card. So if you are in separation with your person, you both want to reconcile. If you are in a relationship, you both want to marry. And the person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So let's see some messages for you from Moon Oracle deck, Gemini. Communication is key. Yes, definitely, because lots of communication cards and lots of communication is coming. It's time to release negativity. Full moon in Scorpio and it says new moon in Gemini. It's your reading and it's your card. So communication is the key. New moon in Gemini. So definitely they are going to communicate with you. So communication is the key. And it's time to release negativity. If you're having any negative thoughts and negativity in you, it's time to release. So when the communication is coming, you have to talk with love. not with ego or pride. Maybe it is going to ruin your relationship. That's why communication is key. If you want your person back, then here the communication is key. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.